Afiagba where they are constructing the bridge. You know, this bridge has been here for so many months and still nothing has been done to it. They just resumed work just about 3 days ago, and look at what's still happening. You can see a vehicle over here just fell into the bridge, a construction of a bridge. It is very dangerous for all vehicles around here. I have my friend over here. I want to ask him, this road has been here. What exactly have you seen about this road? And since then that they've wanted to construct this bridge, what's wrong about the contractor and the reasons why behind his delay? I know he might be able not to tell me the right reason why he's not being able to get that. But I have with me, can you give me your name?
My name is Daniel Hunyega.
Daniel Hunyega. You know this road has been here since ages, and yes, construction of this road has been a problem to Keta Municipal Assembly.
Yes.
Yet still, the bridge, construction of this bridge also having to be a problem. What do you have to tell the public over there about this bridge and then the road?
It's a pity. Yeah. It's really a pity.
Can you watch into the camera for me?
It's a pity. Seriously, because if this bridge can be here for so many months, just a bridge across, not a river, it is a pity. I don't know what exactly is the problem there. I don't know whether the constructor has not been giving his money or whatever, but I don't know what to say.
To me, if the contractor have not been giving him money, will you be able to even dig a hole and do these things that you are trying to do? So it's not about contractor have not been. I know pursue that this contractor is only delaying this work for a purpose, but not about money. That is my point of view, I should say. And you go near closer to the bridge and see how the vehicle have been falling into this very bridge. Ability, come over and tell me something about this bridge. Ability, come over. Ability, come over. Ability, come over. Ability, this road has been here for so many ages. You can see that vehicle over there. It's very pity for us to be witnessing all these things in the Keta municipality. Ability, what do you have for us?
Alaba jigara kule afọ kutenchi journal Afiagba emanya nka tututu enya problem na contractor hafi bridge visu ya Afiagba omo tenchi omo aya mi unfomfia obwore magagaje bridge ya Afiagba asa gomara amagbeto fa agbechochrom contractor nka omo la fifi la Afiagba bridge ya manya nlolo reka onyo visu ya ko nya Afiagba ojeba wo gbogbo na mi asa gomara kaka bridge ya ma Afiagba obuva yim gagama majam ta the divatem yang we are
tired of this road and the contractor been delaying this road. We are tired. Keta Municipal Assembly, stand up and do something about this road. So thank you so much for speaking to Everlove News.
Thank you so much, man.
Remember to subscribe to this channel. It's Everlove News on TV, on YouTube. Remember to subscribe to this channel because we have great things to you. The moment you subscribe, the moment we have more feelings to do great things for you. So let's go there and check how the vehicle have been damaged and what's going on there. Thank you.